I'm competitive, but I'm also here for self-love. You're doing a great job.
Oh, you too. Okay.
Hey, what's up? My name's Melinda, and I'm a Sephora beauty director.
Hey there, I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora collection.
I'm very excited about today.
Me too.
Because our friends here behind the cameras have challenged us. They're putting our artistry to the test. We have a handful of different designs written down in this little bag, and we're gonna pull them out at random and have to create a look inspired by it. So we only got 2 products to use. We have the Sephora Collection Ultimate Gel Eyeliner Pencils. I love these.
Them.
They're
I love
so
the shades.
good.
They're so beautiful.
Yeah, plenty to work with here. And then our Danessa Myricks Color Fix Eye Lip and Cheek colors. These are so fun. It's like painting your face.
So gorgeous.
So I think we can make this happen. You ready?
Yeah. All right, are you ready to pick?
Yes.
Okay.
Give it to me.
Dig
All
in.
right. I got flower.
You got a good one. That's
Yes.
that's gonna be so fun.
Flowers are easy because they're already beautiful,
Exactly.
but I can get creative. All right, let's see what you got.
Let's get in here, just mix it up. Oh, circle.
Okay, so you're really gonna have to get creative because a circle is just a circle.
You know,
But
I
you're
just
an
don't know how
artiste.
simple this is gonna be. Maybe I'll just really while out. We don't know. Okay, it's time to pick product. I'm getting nervous because I think you're gonna pick the colors that I want. It's like grade school, but I'm gonna let you go first.
It's when you're too nice.
Oh my God.
No, okay. Flowers, I'm instantly gravitating towards these ones on the end because I love like a fuchsia. This is fuchsia shimmer, and then lime green matte.
I knew you were gonna pick the lime green matte. You already have it.
I already have it on my eyes. I'm
good.
obsessed with it.
It's really pretty.
And then, what are you gonna do for pencils?
I think now that you just took those, I actually love this color combination. So I'm just gonna do these. This is like lavender
pretty.
matte. This is sea green matte, and this is cobalt matte.
I love the sea green. Okay.
They're really beautiful.
Okay, what about Danessa Myricks?
I mean, oh, I already see my color on top that I want to use. Ma'am?
Yep, these will work for me. Thank you. I want like a glittery gold. This is the foil in Nebula, and then I'm also gonna do a matte in primary yellow. I feel like those will be good for my flowers, and I guess you can have one.
Pretty. Well, this one right away speaks to me. This is called Mermaid, and I was also thinking maybe I should do like a sea thing.
Oh, that's pretty.
But I'm also like, what's a circle in the sea? I don't know. And then, what's this one? Oh, alien. Oh, I just got inspired.
You're getting fun.
I think I know what I'm
Alright.
gonna do. Okay, that gives me, thanks Danessa. Should we dive in?
I'm starting with my green because
Okay,
it's definitely,
okay.
yeah.
Okay, we're going.
We gotta start somewhere.
Yeah. I'm gonna start off right with a circle right away, just so I know that I can get the challenge going.
Don't cheat. I don't know how you
I
can
was like,
cheat.
how can I cheat? We don't know. Ooh, that is hideous. Okay, wait. Should I fill it in?
I'm just doing like little circles for the centers of my flowers. I just always like little things on the top of my cheekbone, I think because I'm so obsessed with like highlighter and cheekbones.
When that like when the flower liner was like a thing not that long ago,
So
I was
pretty.
really into it.
Yeah.
I was like, this is very time consuming, but I love the look.
This is fun. Okay, I have my centers.
Is it a circle? Is it an oval? I don't know.
Oh, fun. I love that blue.
This
That's
blue-
what's so good about these pencils. The pigment is insane.
So pretty.
It's just like instant.
Okay, well, it's as close to a circle as it's gonna get. We gotta
I'm
funk it up.
competitive, but I'm also here for self-love. You're doing a great job.
Oh, you too. Okay. Okay.
I'm doing my petals now.
Oh, we were cooking with gas over there.
Well, you know, you had to get a little more creative with the idea of like a circle. Like, what am I gonna do with a circle? Flower? I'm just drawing flowers. I feel like I'm kind of cheating, but.
That's what I'm gonna tell him.
So are you literally just doing Oh, cute! You'll be like a little polka dot lady. No, I mean it.
That's my clown name, Dots.
No, it really does. I mean it. It looks cute.
I think the Danessa one's really gonna make my look come to life.
Oh yeah, like all the
Like these colors are beautiful together, but I think, you know, like you just need a little shimmer, a little dimension.
Well, dimension. It creates dimension. That's the thing with like any eye art or face art. To use 2 different kind of formulas, I feel like just makes it that much more fun.
Oh, that's cute.
Little flower moment.
I like that.
All right, I think I'm gonna head into my pigment now.
Okay.
from Danessa. I'm gonna start with my yellow. Taking a little brush. Do you have the brush you need?
Yeah, I'm gonna use the.
Oh, I need that one.
Ma'am.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll leave it. I'm gonna use the yellow like with the green, just for like a little, like we were talking about dimension in the middle.
This is where I make my circles far out. I'm gonna make them a planet. Because this color's so pretty.
Bringing it. You're making planets?
That's so cute.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
These colors are very like, they lend themselves to looking like galactic.
That's really cute. I really like that idea. The one thing that I've noticed when I'm doing any sort of like face or eye art lately, because I've been playing around with it quite a bit, is if you can do like a glitter, the foil from Danessa, it makes anything you draw on your face look better. Exactly.
Yeah.
Like
It really does. It like adds this extra
yeah.
zhuzh.
The one piece of advice I have for anyone out there that's trying to do this is don't put highlighter on before you do it, especially if it's like a cream or a gloss highlighter, because I almost did that when we were getting ready and I was like, oh, I'm about to like draw on my face, because then it'll just slide off, you know, you won't be able to get that definition.
Okay, I'm ready to add alien to my look.
Did you do that on purpose?
Okay.
Choose the shade alien because you're
No,
doing
but
planets?
I looked at it and that's what inspired me, because I was like,
Oh my
what's? I was
gosh.
like, oh, this is so underwater like colors, and now
That's so
I was like,
cute.
oh, that's better. And now I'm gonna use this spoolie and create these little star dots. Oh, that's cute. If I do say so myself.
With a spoolie? Okay.
Get funky with it.
I like your creativity there. You're making the most out
Yeah.
of what you got. Just a little bit more glitter on mine.
More glitter.
I can do this all day if you don't stop me.
Same.
Like, this is the type of thing, I'll just keep adding and adding, and by the time I leave my house, my entire face will be covered with flowers, so I'm gonna leave my 3.
Okay.
Because I like just a little, like, peek, you know? This is
Yeah.
something I would totally wear out, like, to an event, or even to
think it's
dinner for
super
fun or
cute.
something. It's just
Yeah.
it's not too much.
Absolutely.
You look so cute!
I was like, yours is really adorable.
I like yours better.
It's time to go out. Show
Yes.
the world our skills.
All right, we rose to the occasion. Studio team behind the camera here, let's have a little clap off. Helen, look first.
Oh, thank you.
Whatever. And
Oh my
I
god.
didn't even clap, I'm so mean. I love yours. Okay, and then mine. I think we both killed it.
I think so too. We had a ton of fun flexing our artistic muscles today. I really want to hear which one you preferred in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye everyone.
Bye.